Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Our lesson for today will be about the most commonly used verbs in Filipino. Keep watching to learn them and surprise locals with some words you can use when you talk to them. Let's start with Nood. This means watch. It could mean watch TV or a movie in the cinema or any show. Nood. 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 Tara, nood tayo. Nood ka. The next one can be important too. Tumigil means stop. This is said to stop someone from doing something. Tumigil. 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 Tumigil ka. Tumigil kayo. Remember, there are other Filipino expressions used in public transportation. You can't tell the driver of a taxi or a jeepney, tumigil ka. Takbo means run. Takbo. 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 Takbo tayo. Takbo ka na. Takbo ka doon. Then, there's lakad. This means walk. Lakad. 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 Lakad na lang tayo. Lakad na. Lakad na lang ako. The last one is sakay. This translates to ride in English. Sakay. 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 Sakay na lang tayo. Sakay tayo ng taxi. Sakay tayo ng jeep. If you want to say, let's take a taxi or a jeepney, the more common way is just, taxi na tayo or jeep na tayo. Practice the words on your own and try using them when you get a chance to encounter some locals. It will surely surprise them. Now, let's practice the words that we learned today. This means watch. Nood. This means stop. Tumigil. This means run. Takbo. This means walk. Lakad. This means ride. Sakay. I hope you can use these common Filipino verbs the next time you encounter some locals. Have fun! Thank you for watching. Paalam po!